How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, coming to you with another episode of Multi-Section Monday, where every Monday I showcase a particular multi-section home that we have on display here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Monday, you're in for a mega big treat, and it goes by the name of the Buccaneer American. The Buccaneer American is a farmhouse series multi-section that is packed with character from front to back. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,160 square foot home that is 30 width by 72 in length and on sale right now at Recreational Resort Cottages for $138,000. Yes, $138,000 for 2,160 square foot of farmhouse. And it all starts right here in the entryway. You'll see right here, we've got the shelving accents with the shiplap, plenty of cabinet and storage for decor down below. And this trend goes throughout the home in this farmhouse style. And the thing is, with it being $138,000, is it comes as you see it. This right here, any fixtures, any shelving, anything throughout the home is what you get. So you guys follow me through, and it starts here in the living room. You'll see it has a large living area in this home. One of the things, you see the beautiful fixtures that we have here in the living area. The wood beams in the living room ceiling that you see. We've got plenty of windows up front, bringing in the natural light, but right across from all this space that you have for couches, love seats, recliners, whatever you need, you have your area meant for a TV. You put your TV right up above there. You have your shiplap wall. You got your fireplace down below in LED. That's going to look so beautiful. You got your accent columns on both sides with the galvalume. But also, if you don't want it to be right there, if you want a nice picture to go right there on your wall, you have the option here to place your TV also. So it's totally up to you. The options are endless in the living area, but I'm gonna take you guys to the guest wing of the home and show you the 3 guest bedrooms that are in this house. So you guys follow me down. And first, we'll take you to the guest bathroom right here. And you'll see, great bathroom. We have a big tub shower. So this is great for children. Plenty of space for them to rub-a-dub in the tub right there. You got beautiful countertops, and we've got the square designer sink for you and bronze fixtures throughout the home. So you guys follow me on through, and we'll go to the first guest bedroom here. You see, you got an abundance of space. You got the window right here off the back of the home, and you got your closet here that you can see. Has plenty of hanging space up above. You got your rod and shelving on each side. Plenty of room for shoes, whatever you need. You follow me on through right here, and we'll take it back to the other 2 guest rooms. You follow me right here, and you'll see it opens up into the guest room that has a similar closet over here to the side. This room, you're going to have 2 windows up front, but the great thing is it's a Jack and Jill setup. So right here, you open up, you come into the second guest bathroom, which again has a tub shower. Got beautiful countertops. Everything stays the same going throughout the home. And you follow me right through here, and you'll see it opens right up into the other guest bedroom with a nice closet here. And this one is even larger closet. So if you have an older sibling, an older child, this would be the room for them to have that extra space. But it's great because it's all right here on one end. With this being a split floor plan, you can keep the family on one end, the parents on the other end, get that peace and quiet that you deserve. But speaking of the other end, let's go to the other end so I can show you the beautiful characteristics that the Buccaneer American has. You guys follow me through here, and again, you see how it just opens up whenever you come into the living area. The farmhouse style has been so popular. We've sold so many homes with this styling, and it continues to get better as we bring more houses out. And the American has not cut any corners on the farmhouse style. You see where we come right to the kitchen. This kitchen is fit for a king. You can see right here, beautiful large island. You got the pendant-like fixtures hanging down below. Look at the accent, the antique accent on the ceiling with the wood beams. That is awesome, an awesome characteristic in here. We have stainless steel appliances coming with the home as well. Cabinets galore. It is I would say a chef's dream, a cook's dream, whatever. You can fit all that you need in here. Pots and pans. We got the stainless steel farm sink here. We've got the picture windows up above the sink. And guys, this is how farmhouse it gets. You got some mason jars right here, the malted milk signs on there. Look, it's details that we got here for you guys. Also, stainless steel dishwasher built in. You guys follow me around this side and you'll see the Galvaloon Venta hood. We've got a beautiful backsplash here for you. Tile backsplash. We kept the shiplap accents going along the walls, shelving everywhere. Everywhere throughout this house you'll see there's shelving, cabinetry. I mean, just right here in this section, look how many cabinets you have. Look how big these cabinets are. Your kid can play hide and seek up in these cabinets if they need to. And right here in the island, even more built in and more storage. You've even got your microwave here built in, so you can pop in your hot pockets. Your kids come home from school, they pop in those hot pockets, those pizza rolls, and you're good to go. And they can sit right here and enjoy it with all their friends. But if not, they can come right over here to the dining area. You got a large dining, able to seat. I mean, this table right here, it could be doubled in size and you still have enough room to accommodate it in here. Again, look at the light fixtures. Beautiful light fixtures throughout. We have a shiplap accent on the wall here. Again, bringing that farmhouse character. Windows all around so you can have beautiful views of your property, front, back, side to side, guys. We're not letting you miss any opportunity to view. And right here, I mean, just down to details like this. You've got the metal piping accents over here on the side. You've got a barn door here to sit there and block off the entry into your butler's pantry. So you guys follow me in here? I mean, what else can I say about storage, guys? It doesn't get much better than this. Storage down below on each side, prep space here. You've got shelves up above on each side, and then right behind that, we have your laundry room, which is the mud room, because you have your exterior door here where you can come in from the side of your property. You got your mud sink right here, wash your hands, do everything you need to do. And then you have your space for your washer and dryer on each side, shelf and rod up above, everything you need in this house to be functional. When they thought of this floor plan, they thought of functionality, guys, for a family. This is meant to be. It's got everything that you need. You guys follow me on through, and again, just take time to reflect on this kitchen. I mean, I know you want to spend time here. This is a place where you want to gather with friends. You want to have those Thanksgiving dinners at, those Christmas dinners. This is the place. So if you buy this house, you're going to be getting calls. Are we having Christmas at your house this year? That's what's going to happen, guys. You follow me back through here, and the fun doesn't stop. Now it's time to go into the master. We've shown you all this, so you know it only gets better. You follow me right around here, and boom, you come into the master, and you got plenty of space for a California king if you want to do that. This has plenty of space for you. You got double windows on the back. But what I love so much about the Buccaneer Imaging is the master bathroom. You guys follow me right through here and you'll see. You walk in, first thing, you walk into the shower right here, you just step right in. Looks like you got a gift card to go to the spa for the day, because you come right in, you sit back, you soak and relax and let that rain shower head come down on you. I mean, it comes down to details. Tile shower, the pebble stone in the tile. Guys, the splash glass. You ain't splashing nothing on these beautiful floors. Right here, you step out, and what else do you have? Right across, double vanities, dual vanities. Again, bronze fixtures for you. Shiplap on the accent of the walls. Cabinets down below, plenty of cabinets for everything. And then, am I gonna have to do it? I guess I'm gonna have to, just to show you. I ain't playing no games. You sit down in here, and you got enough room for anything you need to do. I'm 6'1" and you see how much space I got in here. So unless you're an ex-NBA player, I think you're gonna be all right fitting in here. So you guys see, even on the back, we got a shiplap accent here. And again, the piping, you can hang your towels, everything you need. We've got windows up above, bringing in the light again. You got, of course, your potty right here for everything you need to do, and you can close it off at your convenience. And then right here, you got the beautiful master closet. You see we got the wood style accents going around. We got the transom window up above, plenty of hanging space, plenty of space down below for shoes. We've got shelving here, additional cubbies, everything that you need to make, his and her side, or, you can do all hers, a little bit of his over here, whatever you have to do, but you got no space to do it at. And you guys follow me back through, and you'll see how beautiful this house is. I mean, when we go farmhouse, we do farmhouse. We the best in the business when it comes to it, guys, and this is where you're gonna get it at. You follow me back through the living area, and here we are, back into the heart of the Buccaneer Imogene. I wanna tell you one more time, this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 30 width by 72 in length, 2,160 square feet, on sale right now for $138,000. If you made it to the end of this video, which I know you did, you saw everything it comes with, so you know that $138,000 is a steal of a price. So you can come in to Recreational Resort Cottages anytime. We're open 7 days a week, and get this Imogene. And I want to thank you for tuning in to another Multi-Section Monday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next Multi-Section Monday.